If you want to give someone access to your store without having to pay more than $100 or euros every month, you will see that you can do it with the basic subscription, okay? Because as you can see at first, here you don't have any possibility, and here you have the possibility to have 5 staff accounts. But if you are a beginner, if you don't have a big volume, that's not really interesting to pay more than $100 a month just to give someone else access to your store. So what you can do is just go on Shopify, take the link of your Shopify, okay, and then give this link to the person you want to give access, okay? And what the person will do is she will create a Shopify partner account, which is free, okay? And once the person will be on the Shopify partner, she will just have to click on Add Store, request access to a Collaborator store, then paste the link just here, select all, and click on Request Access to Store. And then you will get a notification on your Shopify, and you will just have to accept the collaboration request. Okay, it is just as easy as that. You don't have to pay $100 a month. You just have to give him access to your store through Shopify Partner.